You know what I'm doing?
Tiring the dogs out.
Three things.
Three things.
Three.
I got 3 things. One, the green salt that I got from the guy on TikTok. He's awesome. Second thing, salmon with tamari, honey, oil, garlic, sesame seeds, marinade, baked. Third thing, just plain old fucking chicken on the barbecue with olive oil, dried oregano from Gaganis Brothers, and lemon and garlic. Okay, let's go. The salt. Get a food processor, because without one, you can't do this. I've put 3 cups of salt in there. Sage leaves. How many sage leaves? Don't ask me, because I don't know.
You know, I actually hate the smell of sage leaves, but I like the flavour. How weird is that?
It's really pungent, isn't it? So I don't put a lot of sage in there, because I'm a bit like you, Alex. I love it, but I don't.
Love it.
Rosemary from my garden. Thyme. The only thing we're not putting in here is parsley. And then we would have parsley, sage, rosemary, and thyme. Instead, we're putting garlic. 2 cloves of garlic. Oh, yeah.
Oh my God, that is so strong.
Isn't it? Isn't it amazing? So that, my friends, is the green goodness, the salt. Fucking awesome. You can put it on potatoes. You can put it on steak. You can put it all over fucking lamb. It's really good shit. 2, Atlantic salmon, skin on. Why?
Because it goes crispy and it's the best bit.
Yeah! Bowl, olive oil. Olive oil in bowl. That much. Okay, next, honey. 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 tablespoon of honey. Tamari. If you've got soy sauce, that's great, but tamari is just something else. Look at that. Oh my God. Okay, so what we're going to do with this is crush it and put it in, because we don't want great big huge chunks of garlic. Danza!
Mamma mia!
Okay, oh shit, what am I doing?
Into the seeds.
I know, that was an accident. So what I've done is I've just poured some seeds in there. And garlic. So what have we put in there?
Olive oil, honey, soy sauce, garlic, and sesame seeds.
We are going to paint. Look at that, okay? Oh my God. That goes into a 200-degree oven. Once you put it in, you drop it back down to 180 for 20 minutes. Step 3, chicken thigh fillets. I actually like to get these babies and cut them in half. A layer of 1 layer of chicken fillets. Oil. Not a lot. The beauty of getting dried oregano in a bag like this is don't fucking take it out, because watch what happens when you do this. And then I go like this. Oh! Garlic! Garlic! Lemon! This is so great. We've got such a mix of flavours tonight. Who cares? The thing is, don't be afraid to mix things up. Put it all in the middle of the table. Don't plate food up. I think the enjoyment of dinner time is when you give everybody the food in the middle of the table and they can help themselves. And if you mix it up with all different flavours from all different parts of the world, all the better. So the second layer, like this. Again, the top layer, bit of oil. There we go. Oh, look at that. It's a serving thingy. More garlic, more lemon. I'm going to get Dancer to put the chicken on the Weber.
Mamma mia!
Nice. So the potatoes are cooked. So remember the green salt. I just got baby potatoes and half of them didn't even peel them because I'm a lazy shit. Okay, olive oil. Salt, you don't need too much. It's so strong, and sometimes I put too much on and everybody says, what the fuck, Mum?
Oven time?
Yeah. Put the timer on for 10. You go, sister. Okay, so the timer's gone. Because the potatoes have been in there for how long, Alex?
10 minutes.
Salmon goes in. Bangity boo! You turn it down to 180. The potatoes take 30 minutes.
Yes.
So I set the timer for 10.
Yes.
Because the salmon takes 20 minutes.
Yes.
So they'll be both ready at exactly the same time.
Yeah.
Brilliant. Love it. Oh yeah, look at that colour. Oh my God. Timer just went off. Oven. Let's have a look. The salmon. Oh my God. Oh my God. So we'll give the fucking roast potatoes another 8 minutes. These are going to be fine to just sit for a bit. Okay.
Okay.
Whoop. All right. I'm going to put these in a bowl and then we're eating, okay?
It's a nice chopping board.
Did you notice I got all these different colours? I went and saw Tanya at Globe Imports on McGilwright. I love her. She has so much cool stuff. I fucking go in there. I go in there to buy like one like tiny little thing and I come out spending $300.